The five senses, vision, touch, hearing, smell and taste, have the capacity to grab our audience attentions and make them have perceptions of products. So we asked the experts, how can marketers tap into the other four senses to make memorable campaigns?
Okay, so touch isn't necessarily that difficult. It's about encouraging people to wanting to touch something. So in a retail setting, that's clearly relatively easy because you can even write a big sign saying, please do touch. And from a visual point of view, it's actually a little bit more difficult because clearly people can't touch something. But if you're working in an online retail type structure, you could actually use certain textures that look like they're more tactile because they're sending the right kind of cues to people so that they understand that this is something that actually has a proper texture and therefore satisfies people's need when they can't touch something. Smell is incredibly important, especially in retail settings, but there is a fine balancing out because it is so closely linked to emotion. You almost, if you measure it, you get like an inverted U curve. So at some point, smell becomes overbearing, and that's why perhaps shops like Lush is almost a little bit like Marmite. You either love it or hate it because not everybody can stand very strong input when it comes to smell. So again, you need to use it with a bit of caution.